In this lecture, we are going to make a list of competitors' top organic keywords. First, let's start with similarweb.com. Click on the search icon on the floating toolbar. Skip the website's own brand name keywords, if any, such as Bright Hand or Gotta Be Mobile, and then shortlist all the other keywords such as decrypt or XF, 3.1 amps charger versus 2.4 amps charger, best phone for Microsoft Office, etc. Add them to our previous shortlisted keywords from SEMrush in the same spreadsheet. Now let's move on to Gotta Be Mobile. Go to search icon. You can see the keywords as iOS 11.1, iPhone SE2, iOS 11.1.2, and OnePlus 5T cases. Let's add these keywords too. Though these are not long tail keywords, they are new at the time of recording this video. If a keyword is new, then it means not many websites are writing about it, which means the competition is low. You should act fast to add highly relevant content on these keywords in your website to capture users who are searching for these keywords in Google. So far, we have used SEMrush and SimilarWeb tools to extract top organic keywords 100,000 and not more than that. So we have got around 30 top organic keywords from 3 competitor websites using 3 SEO tools such as SimilarWeb, Semrush, and Alexa. In this manner, if you look for around 10 competitor websites, you can easily collect up to 100 top organic keywords. Don't worry, we are not going to write articles on each one of them. We need to validate these keywords and then you will shortlist them from 30 to 40 keywords which are in trend now and which will give you a decent traffic in the near future. This process is called keyword validation. We will do this using Google Trends in the next lecture. While starting or creating a new website, you can start writing articles on these resulting keywords with highly SEO optimized content to quickly rank on the front page of Google. If your article or news is highly relevant to the keyword you are targeting, then users will spend more time on your site. The bounce rate will get reduced and your ranking will improve further and stay on top for a long time until your competitor writes a much better content than yours. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use Google Trends to validate keywords.